Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 1. The pyramids are located just outside Giza in Egypt. Many pictures make it look like the pyramids of Giza are located in the middle of the desert, but that isn't the case. They sit on the Giza Plateau, on the eastern outskirts of the town of Giza, which is the third largest city in Egypt and is located on the western bank of the River Nile. 2. They are the only remaining wonder of the ancient world. The pyramids of Giza are the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and also the only one that still remains today. These wonders once included the Colossus of Rhodes, the Lighthouse of Alexandria, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and the statue of Zeus at Olympia. 3. There are many other pyramids in Egypt. While the pyramids of Giza are famous, they are not the only pyramids to visit in Egypt. There are over 130 other pyramids to discover in Egypt. In fact, just on the Giza Plateau, you will find a total of 9 pyramids. Others include the Bent Pyramid, the Red Pyramid, the Pyramid of Unas, and so on. 4. The pyramids of Giza weren't the first to be built. Although the pyramids of Giza are very old, they were not the first to be built. It is believed that the Step Pyramid of Djoser in Saqqara, built around 2630 BC, is the oldest pyramid in the world. The Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed around 2560 BC, which is 70 years after the Pyramid of Djoser. 5. The pyramids of Giza have been looted by grave robbers. Over the years, the pyramids of Giza have been looted several times, like many other royal tombs. Since it was known that the pharaohs were buried with gold and jewels, grave robbing was quite common in ancient Egypt. As a result, it's believed that the pyramids were looted within 500 years of being completed and sealed. 6. The Great Pyramid sides are aligned to the cardinal directions. The sides and base of the Great Pyramid of Khufu are also aligned to the 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. We don't quite know how the ancient Egyptians achieved this level of accuracy, but it is possible that they based this on the sun and the stars. 7. Thousands of people helped build the pyramids of Giza. Discoveries made at the Giza workers' village show that a permanent workforce of about 20,000 to 40,000 people helped build the pyramids of Giza. This included engineers, architects, builders, stonemasons, laborers, and more. Most of them lived nearby and worked hard to build the pyramid for daily wages and food. 8. The Great Pyramid has over 2 million blocks of stone. Over 2.3 million blocks of stone were used in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Khufu. This included 5.5 million tons of limestone and 8,000 tons of granite. Each stone weighed around 25 to 80 tons, and they were either quarried at Giza or transported by boat from faraway sites like Tura and Aswan. 9. All 3 pyramids were once covered in white limestone. The 3 pyramids of Giza were once covered with a white polished limestone casing that would reflect the sun's rays. However, over the years, these limestone casings have disappeared due to earthquakes or being used to build other structures. But, you can still see a bit of the original casing at the very top of the Pyramid of Khafre. 10. The pyramids have shrunk over the years. As a result of being stripped of their outer casings and thousands of years of erosion, pyramids are much shorter than their original heights. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, which was originally 481 feet high, is now only 455 feet tall. The Pyramid of Khafre was once 471 feet high but now stands at 448 feet. And, the smallest of the pyramids, that of Menkaure, was 218 feet tall and now measures 203 feet. 11. All the pyramids have a large funeral complex. The 3 pyramids of the pharaohs are surrounded by several structures. Each has several satellite pyramids, where the queens were buried, a valley temple where the pharaoh was prepared for burial, and a mortuary temple where priests worshipped the deceased pharaohs. The pyramids are also surrounded by mastabas and cemeteries where the king's officials and relatives were buried. 12. They became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The pyramids of Giza were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979, along with the other ancient monuments of the Memphis area. The ancient city of Memphis was the capital of Egypt for over 3,000 years. It includes many ancient cemeteries in its area, including the Giza Necropolis, Saqqara, and Dahshur.